Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Elegance of Zoya. I hope so all of you are fine and doing very well. So viewers, today I am here with the amazing collection of Indian sari. So basically viewers, this type of amazing sari is a traditional Indian garment. So viewers, first go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with your friends, family members and your relatives, and also press the bell icon. So viewers, let's start. So this sari hold a rich cultural significance and is a symbol of grace and elegance. So the history of the sari dates back centuries, with various regions in Indian having their unique style and weaving techniques. So the fabric used in saris can range from silk, cotton, chiffon, georgette to many more, each contributing to the sari texture and drape. Embellishment like zari work, embroidery, sequence, beadwork add to the beauty of the sari. The process of draping a sari is an art in itself, with numerous ways to style and pleat the fabric. The sari is typically worn with a blouse and a petticoat enhancing its overall look. Different states in Indian have their traditional draping style, like the navy drape from. So viewers, this type of sari is very unique and very beautiful. So different state in Indian have different traditional draping style, like the navy drape from Andhra Pradesh or the Bengali style drape. Sari are worn on various occasions like wedding, festival and formal events, symbolizing traditional and elegance. So the popularity of the sari extends beyond India, with people worldwide appreciating its beauty and craftsmanship. So we were contemporary style, blending traditional aesthetic with modern trends, making sari versatile for different age groups and occasions. Sari come in a different color pattern and design, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. So the versatility of the sari allow it to be styled in different ways, making it suitable for both casual and formal setting. The 6 yard of fabric can be draped in various styles to suit the varied comfort and fashion sense. So saris can be accessorized with jewelry like bangles, earrings, necklace and even belt to enhance the overall look. So viewer, I hope so you like this type of amazing collection of sari. So the art of the weaving sari is passed down through generation, with skilled artisans meticulous crafting each piece. Handloom sari in particularly are heavily value for their intricate design and craftsmanship. So viewers, I hope so you like this type of amazing collection of sari. So go and subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with your friends, family members and your relatives. Stay tuned, stay connected to get my new upcoming videos. Bye bye, take care.